1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6. I've been having troubles with a no start issue. It'd run 20 minutes and then it just quit die. So I put a different distributor in it and it started working. And this later on this summer, it did do just the die and will not start again. So I did put a new fuel sending unit in and filter, but I'm still getting no pressure. So my next step was check the battery. The person I bought it from, they were an older retired couple. They had a Napa battery in it. And so I go to Walmart, and nothing wrong with Walmart, they have a good cost, but their battery design is a little bit different. And the bolts would not tighten down. You can see these tighten. This is an O'Reilly battery here. So if you're working on one of these Chryslers, and you're getting a no start, and that battery, that Napa battery that was a 1025, it did have a short in it, and it would not test, but it would crank the engine over. So get the tire back on and maybe try starting it again, see what happens.